students, this is Mrs. Espinosa. I am excited to welcome you to third grade. I know this year is different, so we are doing a virtual open house, and I just wanted to explain a couple things to you. To remember to bring your iPad with you and make sure it's charged, and you're going to bring that every day with you, whether you're not at school, you're at home, just keep it with you so you can always bring it. When you get to school, third grade is a little different. You're going to go to the gym. So every morning, instead of going to the cafeteria tables, you will go to the gym, and I will pick you up there. Don't forget to bring a water bottle. We will have water filling stations, so bring a reusable water bottle if you want to have one to get drinks throughout the day. If you are the Tuesday group, you will be having library. If you come on Wednesday, you will have gym. So make sure you wear some tennis shoes so that you're prepared for that. We have all the supplies that you'll need, like glue sticks, pencils, paper. If you have something special you want to bring, you're welcome to bring it, but everything will be provided for you. And let me think. With Schoology, I know that's different, so we will go over that in class, so don't feel like you have to log on before that. Just take a deep breath and we will show you how to do that when you come to school. I look forward to seeing you guys next week, and I'm excited to meet each and every one of you. Have a great weekend.